Hey guys, welcome back to another very interesting video of our channel Versatile Knowledge. And in this video, we will be doing the unboxing and we shall be taking the first look at the new Logitech wireless silent mouse. So I purchased this product from Amazon. I'll be leaving the direct links for purchasing this product in the description. If you buy from that link, it will certainly help the channel. So straight away, let's dive into the unboxing of this product. So as you guys can see, this is the box package of the Logitech wireless mouse. I'll get rid of this packaging from Amazon and I'll resume in a while. So guys, as you can see, as it has been written on the box, the price of this product has been written as 1,295 and it has been manufactured by Logitech Asia Pacific Limited in Hong Kong. But the actual price of the product is way lesser at around 699 rupees or something. The mouse is a Bluetooth driven mouse. It has an adapter and it has the mouse itself. It is red in color and the model number is M221. As you can see, it says this actually symbolizes that it is a very silent mouse. That means the click sounds of this mouse will be rarely heard. That means whenever you're using this mouse, the other person who is sitting next to you or in the place that you are working, it will not be a disturbance for them. So there are few features of this mouse that has been written on the back surface. It says it is compatible to Windows 8, Windows 10 or later, Windows 7, computers like Mac OS, Chrome OS, Linux, etc. And some other features has been mentioned over here. Now let's tear open this seal of the mouse and let's take a look at the mouse itself. So while opening this box, one of the most important things that you will note down is the quiet mark. This quiet mark is actually like an insignia which symbolizes that this is a really quiet mouse. So this says that it has a quiet mark, and this Logitech is a world leader in mouse manufacturing and over 90% of noise reduction, same click feel, no click noise. Small receiver that stays in your laptop. It has a 10-meter wireless range and it has long lasting battery life with on and off. So this is the mouse itself, guys. It is very small. It fits in the hand very comfortably, and as you can see on the back surface, it mentions M221, which is the model number, and this is the on and off switch for the mouse, and this is the rubber pads that is present for easier grip on the table that you place it, and this is the optical indicators, and we have the pull tab over here, and this is the scroller of the mouse, and this is the left and right buttons, and we have the Logitech branding over here. And if we pull the back surface of this mouse, we will actually see the wireless adapter that is placed, which is placed inside the mouse itself, and we actually have the battery which comes pre-installed with the mouse. So when you initially purchase the mouse, the battery or this cell will actually come pre-installed inside the mouse, and this will actually come for a very long time, guys. It will come for around 3 months or 4 months because this particular mouse will consume very less amount of battery. In case this charge will get over, the mouse will not actually work, and you can just replace with another battery which costs you around 15 or 20 rupees. Just we have to remove this adapter and plug it into our laptops, guys. So this is the adapter that comes with the mouse, guys. It is a very small adapter, guys. It has the Logitech branding that is mentioned on this surface. As you can see, it has Logi branding, and if you once the operation of this mouse is over, plug it back like this onto the mouse, and you can close the back surface like this, and it will look very clean and neat. So now let's go ahead and plug this mouse to our computer, and we'll check out the operation of this mouse. So as you guys can see, this is my MacBook Pro 16 inches, which actually has very less number of ports, guys. This actually has only 2 Thunderbolt 3 ports on the right side and 2 Thunderbolt 3 ports on the left side, which is basically like an USB Type-C. Actually, the reason why I purchased the Bluetooth mouse is because I do not like the clutter that is caused by the wires that lies all around our computing systems. I'll open the receiver of this Bluetooth mouse and I'll plug it into the port of my MacBook Pro. As you guys can see, the receiver has been plugged into my MacBook Pro on the left side. This is the mouse itself, and the operation is instant, guys. The mouse has been instantly connected and it is operating perfectly fine. And one of the most important things about this Bluetooth mouse is about the clicks that it actually offers. Since it is a wireless and a silent mouse, you can rarely hear the clicking sound, guys. I'll just place this mouse near the microphone and I'll just let you know how silent this mouse is. So the noise that comes generally in the normal mouse, like a wired mouse or other Bluetooth mouse, is actually reduced by 90% on this Logitech M221 silent mouse. The system requirements for this mouse is Windows 7 or later, guys. Any device or any computer that has Windows 7 and above actually supports this Bluetooth mouse, and it also supports on the Ubuntu based computers. It also supports on Mac OS as well, and it has a connection range of around 10 meters, guys. And the battery life of this is pretty good. It runs on a normal AA battery, guys, and it depends on what kind of AA battery you use. If you're using a Duracell or something of a higher quality battery which costs little bit around 35-40 rupees, it will easily come for around an year without any problems. I have been using a Bluetooth mouse previously for my work purposes, and I've got around over 6.5 months of battery life with a single cell. And when it comes to the sensor resolution, it has 1000 dpi, and one of the most important pros about this device is it is very small. It is very handy. As you can see, it just fits into your palm very well, guys. It is so compact, it is so lightweight, and it's really small. So now let's come over to the dimension of this mouse, and the height of this mouse is around 3.9 inches or 99 millimeters, and the width of this mouse is around 2.3 inches, guys, or 60 millimeters, and the depth of this mouse, which is this, is around 1.5 inches, and the weight including the battery and adapter inside the mouse is around 75.2 grams, and the number of buttons is 3: the left button, right button, and also the scroll button. And the sensor technology that is used inside this mouse is the Logitech Advanced Optical Tracking, and the sensor resolution is 1000 dpi, and it has the Logitech's advanced 2.4 gigahertz Bluetooth connectivity, and the warranty of this mouse is 1 year for the hardware itself. This is a silent mouse which is really helpful for working in quiet conditions, or if you're working in night conditions and you don't want to disturb people around you. This is an excellent mouse for the choice. For comparison purposes, this mouse is actually smaller than a full-sized smartphone of these days. Normally the smartphones that come these days is around 6.1 to 6.5 inches, and this mouse is smaller than that. So guys, that is pretty much it for the unboxing, impressions, and a mini review of the Logitech M221 wireless mouse. Many of them have complained that it is an expensive mouse, but what I actually think is, considering the Logitech's brand name, considering the silent feature that it offers, and also the looks and compactness that it offers, I don't feel that it is actually expensive. It is actually value for money, and it is a really high rated mouse. It is one of the best selling mice on Amazon. That is pretty much it for this video, guys. If you guys have liked this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more interesting content ahead. Thank you for watching, guys.